If you have online accounts with each or any of the 3 major credit bureaus, the process is pretty simple, and we're going to walk you through that today. If you're looking to unfreeze your credit on Equifax, you're going to go to their main website and click on Go to My Personal Credit. After that, you'll scroll down about halfway through the page and tap on Visit Consumer Services Center. Right away, you'll see some common actions that consumers take. One of them is freezing or unfreezing your Equifax credit report. The main option says Place a Freeze, but if you see right below that button, there's an option for Manage a Freeze. And if your report is already frozen, then you're going to want to manage it and not place it again. If you don't already have an Equifax online account, you'll be prompted to create one. If you already have one, you may be prompted to log in. You'll want to click on Manage a Freeze. Here you'll be given the option to either temporarily lift the security freeze or permanently remove it. For the sake of this example, we're just going to lift it temporarily. Once you click Continue, you'll be prompted to enter the start date and the end date of this temporarily lifted credit freeze. Then click Continue. Next, you'll see a confirmation page, which just has some notes about what you need to know, and just to confirm the details of the dates. You can click Temporarily Lift a Freeze at the bottom. Finally, you'll see a confirmation page with a green check mark that confirms you temporarily lifted the security freeze, or if you permanently decided to do it, it will confirm those details as well. Thanks so much for watching the videos today. Don't forget to activate credit monitoring in the Citrus app for optimum protection while your credit is unfrozen. Thanks again, and stay safe out there.